Welcome to solverfy.
In this problem, we're asked to compute the speed of the blue bead as a function of the speed of the red bead, or A, and the angle that the rod makes with the x-axis. Note the following: tangent of theta is y over x. If we divide top and bottom on the right by delta x for a short time interval, we get that this is equal to y over delta t over x over delta t, and this is equal to the velocity of the blue bit over the velocity of the horizontal bit. Therefore, the velocity of the red bit is equal to velocity of the horizontal bit times the tangent of theta. Then the question is how these two are related. And the regions of the angle to study are for theta between 0 and pi over 4. For 0 between 0 and pi over 4, v sub b is less than the horizontal speed. And then between pi over 4 and pi over 2, v sub b is greater than the horizontal speed. And that is it.